Hey, what's up? Thank y'all for tuning in to this channel, RealAlice Mukbang. Today we got two special guests. This is
L'Oreal.
my daughter, and this is this my youngest sister Kiki. Yeah, and today we get this what we gonna do so they can get the whole picture of the food. Cause we had to explain the food that we get. We gonna move. Y'all ain't got a lot of working space. Can you hold this so it don't fall? Just don't. Yeah. Okay, y'all. This what we working with. L'Oreal, you can help out at any time, girl. You know. We got a towel up under here. You ain't gotta do that. So, what we got today, y'all, is mussels. Shrimp. Y'all ain't gonna see me eat shrimp. I don't eat shrimp. Eggs. Claws. Snow crab legs. We got clams, potatoes. Yeah, the little bitty potatoes. Potatoes, corn on the cob, and cucumbers. So once we get what we gonna get, we gonna let them take it to the kitchen so they can get what they gonna get. That way y'all can see us eat better. So yeah. Y'all, we got our famous blood sauce. Let me set this right here. Okay, kinfolks, kin people, kin cousins, kin bloods. All of us, we family. We about to eat. Y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all come on, get what y'all gonna get. You can sit here. Yeah, I've been waiting on this junk all day. Give us a moment. Yeah, I ain't never tasted
I ain't never ate clams.
Yeah, I ain't never had clams, y'all. So I'm gonna get one or two of these junks. I'm gonna get two mussels. Nala, can you go check on Real? I really think I hear him crying. Thank you so much, cause she just like that, bam. How many eggs I got? I'm tripping. Yeah.
These the same thing?
Nah. These claws.
Claws.
Yeah, crab claws.
Cookie. What is that? Some shrimp.
Do me a favor, come pause this. You're gonna have to hit. Maybe be careful. Hit the You're gonna have to hit it again. Make sure you hit it.
We back.
Y'all don't even understand.
What just happened?
I'm talking about. I know it looked like we've been gone just a few minutes, but yeah, we see we got our food and everything. We've been gone literally almost 20 minutes or something. Probably not that long. But we almost just lost y'all. He almost just cut the whole video short. Y'all ain't gotta cry, kinfolks. We were gonna jump his ass, kinfolks. Look, y'all know what it is. Team. No napkins. So, y'all, we ready. We've been waiting all day. I got ice water to drink.
Now, I got a little,
The rest of her drink, little thirsty self. She couldn't wait, y'all. They been nibbling. They ain't want to wait on y'all. Ooh, rude. She ain't want to wait on y'all eat all. I'm sorry I be reaching over your food, but I'm not taking it in. Like,
no, Mom, come on. You still doing
it. All right, y'all. Y'all can't see us eating it. Let me see how I'm finna get this blood sauce in my life.
I need to get closer, so
I'm telling you. Y'all, my eye burning. I ain't even put this sauce in my eye. Why you ain't taking your head over there eating? She trying to hide. Y'all ain't put my hand in my eye. I put my hand next to my eye and it's burning. It's a setup. Oh, jeez. Yeah. It's a little bit more spicy this time.
More eating, less talking.
So you just want them to just watch you eat?
Try.
Y'all.
I get serious when your hair go behind your ear, y'all.
Y'all be hearing L'Oreal in the background of the video saying so much for everything. I can't hear nothing saying now.
I mean that. What I'm talking about.
Please.
It ain't gonna come.
I don't know what you're doing, but don't tell.
Y'all good.
I'm glad I got 3 eggs.
That's all good.
So, KINFOLKS, how y'all been doing today?
Y'all good? Cause I'm great.
Y'all got y'all food?
Cause we do.
Don't be mean.
Oh, my bad.
KINFOLKS, y'all know everybody always got that one person in the family that be mean. Their little sister.
Who's this is? Cause they playing.
Lord, you know how to cuddle.
Cause I don't know how to do the
It's
clown.
already one. You gotta go where it's already at. You gotta bite it up. Ooh.
My mouth is hot.
Yeah. It's hot, but it's good, child. It's spicy. Now, I ain't ate all day.
Oh, dang.
Just let it.
I got woke up this morning. It's 10 o'clock. Talking about a seafood boil.
So she ain't ate since. Oh, can you get the lemons out the refrigerator?
Oh yes, please. Thank you.
Hey, get some of that beloved junk with the what she call it, the drizzle, the lemon drizzle. Oh y'all, look, it's about to go down. Yeah. Go on, drip it, go on, get it, dip it.
Hey, let me see them feel.
Lemons, y'all. What you say, that little drip?
The little saucy.
Drip. I don't know what she be saying, y'all. I just know it be something. Alright, yeah, big love. Oh, girl. Oh, this what it is right here. Oh, here come out. Oh my gosh, that's good.
With the lemon.
I didn't never have lemon on it. I always forget to get the lemon.
With the blue sauce.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Gee.
I'm just struggling. Your Had to get that thing on.
Yeah, let me drop this. Let me hit you up one time. Let me hit you up.
This y'all fire. Me.
So you gonna see what's going on. And tell Dre to switch places with Nyla, please.
Yeah.
We'll tell Nyla to go back.
It's so good.
Yeah, well, we gotta do your thing over here. I was looking at the camera when you take your bite. You and Kiki. You can't see y'all face, but y'all take y'all bite right out of y'all sauce. These sweet. Dang.
Let me get
Okay, well, hold up, big little sauce, baby. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Oh, KINFOLKS, y'all, the clock's still in. I forgot to pull the cloud out. I'm breaking stuff. It's still in the other side.
Oh, I'm gonna need some water in a minute.
Yeah, the meat don't want to act right. Damn. So we can, folks. This side.
Dog. Y'all are still doing my face.
Kiki got bullshit. Yeah, I'm struggling over here. It's a real seafood boy struggle. See, my thing's still in the middle. I'm gonna put it around.
Come out.
Oh, y'all finished it. Y'all get second.
You tripping. We ain't video recording seconds. But you know I'm in seconds and thirds. I'm trying to see, is this the pot? Yeah, this my little piece of them. Yeah, I ain't confused out here. This it right here, y'all. This it. This it right here.
You got the good ones too.
Alright. I got the clouds. I got 2 clouds, 3 extra.
All them clouds.
Yeah, from off of the clouds from off of the snow.
You got these right here. I'm just serious, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing, so.
My too. It's on the back. Pull that clip out first.
That good.
I don't know. I don't cock that jump.
It ain't coming out.
Let me see it.
I eat this.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Okay, so I cut the part.
It's kind of really cut.
Ooh, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta put some lemon juice on that jump first.
I'm serious.
You gotta put the lemon juice on then the blue sauce. Make sure the little piece ain't in the middle.
Let me see them still.
See, that was what wrong with mine. The pieces in the middle. See, we can't be I can't eat past y'all scissors and shit. You should.
I ain't do it. I don't know how to do that.
You're in the wrong spot. Just come out, peel them now. Do that. Jump out. Nah, I can't even talk to y'all like it.
I can't tell. He's hurting me. I'm not shrimp.
Where is that for?
You already put them over?
Sometimes they be broke up on now. It's already open. Already look. And this is the way we come in anyway.
So it went out.
Oh, it is. It was already cracked. I just couldn't stick my hand in there. Here, don't waste that meat because I promise you I will gobble. Don't waste so quiet.
Cause my what I'm talking for, I'm trying to eat. I actually have a lot of onions and stuff too.
Laura being petty.
No. Had to. No, she knew. Got more than both of them.
Well, I don't deny that, but you being petty. Wait. Ah, nah, y'all playing with me.
Scissors.
I can't do it.
Excuse me.
I ain't got no fork.
That's what I actually need for the crab legs. You ain't drunk no water yet? I don't see how. Love, baby.
I'm used to it. I was gonna say, as long as they Laura drunk, I ain't. Yeah, I need to do my onions up. Where are you from? Johnson. There you go.
I'm trying on my break.
Yeah. I guess I want to talk to y'all.
I'm talking. Alright. But I'm actually trying to do more eating, less talking.
The famous L'Oreal is in every video. I'm talking about every video called besides the last one. I mean, I gotta be a little soft everywhere.
Hey, give me them seeds.
No, he's probably doing ham with the children.
Seriously?
Maybe I'm drop of water.
It's too small.
Man, please don't knock this bottle of beloved sauce out.
You get serious now. And I never did serious.
She got a whole kazoo at the children's party. Damn. Come on, chill out. Oh, yeah. They distracting me. I ain't even do a proper greeting. Y'all already know KINFOLKS. Look, we 18 minutes in this, 19 minutes in this. Excuse me. But for the aunties, the grandmamas, the uncles, the cousins, the anybody KINFOLKS. Anybody KINFOLKS? Oh, excuse me. Right, they don't like the smacking, the burping, the licking of the fingers, the elbows on the table. We're gonna need y'all to go step in the other room right now because we having the whole family KINFOLKS eat how we want to eat moment. Like, yeah, again, you ain't gonna see me out in public eating like this. This just between us, y'all. This between us. This our stuff. This what we do. And this our show. So on our show, we eat how we want to eat.
Period.
Big period. Look at my face.
She like big period.
And the back tell us, don't be slurping. and smacking and burping. Y'all been smacking burp all y'all want to.
And sniffing.
Y'all my kinfolks. I guess y'all bet let them say something to y'all. I'm gonna slap their ass. Don't fuck with my kinfolk. I got you, kinfolk. Kin people, kin cuz, kin bloods. We all family. See how we just did it? Yeah, my ice water then turned into water.
Yeah.
I had to do it, so I was dripping down my arm. What I supposed to do, let it drip. I like that dance. What was I can't
Nah, Kiki. She doing cool. She got her eyes closed and some more.
Who Kiki? What?
Yeah, with this serious.
Right, you understand about the crab.
You don't understand.
She don't understand. Look, I'ma tell you like I said in my last show. It's so good. Look at this. Ain't nobody got time for this shit.
Why you getting good one?
Look. So good. Make you want to slap your mama. But see, I can't be slapping shells, so somebody bring your mama so I slap the hell out of her. Yeah, she that ass is so good.
So good, mama. Slap my sister.
You better check. How did it work? What's wrong with you?
Ooh, chat. Let me see the spoon. I meant to see it.
What sister you talking about slapping? Before I hand you in the damn thing, I might need them scissors.
Ooh, chat. So you know how to peel yours, mine's coming out.
Cause you don't know what to do and how to do it.
Well, I just put my finger.
Oh damn.
Yours didn't work.
We about to go to war, kinfolk. Damn crab legs just cut my baby finger. We about to suit up.
Boy, look at this. This crazy. I don't got no type of onions no more.
Poor baby, you ain't on.
This crazy. You ain't give me that much.
Wish I did. Kiki got a lot of onion. I shouldn't have gave her that many.
Oh.
She don't know how to eat. She just dip them in the sauce. You gotta eat it with the onion. You gotta bring all the onion.
You can do it where the come from.
I ain't got no more eggs.
I got my menu.
Kiki, you don't need no more eggs. You ain't even eating the green thing. You crazy. You messing up the eggs. Girl, you fired.
I had 3 on.
You fired. She fired.
It's all
I had to lick my little arm. It was all wet. Y'all, these folks, flying crab.
folks? Go in.
These folks, flying crab legs. It's a fight between the crab legs and them.
And I need some more. I'm putting stuff everywhere. Yes, I just got everywhere. Feels good.
Why you neglecting your corn?
I don't got no more onion. Why you in your corn like that? Cause dog. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Why I'm looking at you, cause dog. Oh, look at my arm. Wow. Little Nerio over there.
Huh?
Hand me a lemon. Hand me the water. booty hurt.
It ain't cold. Damn.
Shit, wait. Oh, wait. Special yes, Lord, I am. Ooh, it's in my hair. Oh, no, it's in my hair. I can't do it. I can't. Cause I'm laughing at you. I done put my head. Kiki, look at my mom. Look at this girl. Like she's on. Mom, look at her face. Bro. No. Look at your hair. Oh my God. L'Oreal, how you gonna get that your head? You gotta wash your whole head. Oh my God. Come on now, Nan. Come on, Nan. Look at my face. You need to clean your face, cuz. If you don't like how I eat, no. Stop watching. Oh, we a mess, man. Look at I stopped watching all the time. I got a chin. I'm on so. What you do? What you do? Cause I'm cuddling, laughing, I'm cuddling, put my hair in there. Now her got most of the stuff out and her sauce. I mean her mine too. Her arm got up in the sauce. For her, one of them. Oh, my hair. Y'all must be done. No, I would like to eat. This is an eating channel. Oh my God. Yeah. They ain't coming back no more. And we no napkin joint. Yeah, no take no napkin. We need a napkin though. We sure do. I'm a couple napkins. Yeah, but this is how we. Mom, look at this girl's face. Forget all that. I can't even do what I need to. She need a napkin. Right. Exactly. Okay, why do that? You gotta wipe your mouth. Kiki. Oh hell no, we ain't earning this. we earn a little. We all KINFOLKS here. We all KINFOLKS. Y'all see what we got to deal with? This it be double this at the family reunion. Y'all already know. KINFOLKS, look. Y'all can rock her. I ain't gonna even check y'all. Y'all can rock her. Y'all definitely can rock her. I ain't worried about it. Yeah, don't rock me. Come on, fire y'all ass up. Mom, ain't gonna rock me. I'm gonna go get in the shower. I'm first. That's quiet. You can't even have a seafood bowl without somebody having to take a bath. Oh yeah, I got crab legs, baby. This stuff. Beloved sauce one. Everywhere. Beloved sauce one. Battle between them and beloved sauce. You know what I mean? Man, I don't got no more onions up in my stuff. I'm finna tear Lori corn up. No, you not. Why there's plenty more corn up in there? You choose to eat mine. If I gotta get off camera, just go get another corn. You ain't finna eat your corn right now. Don't touch. Oh, it's over with. It's over with. That's your corn, girl. My bad. You ain't like something wrong with my hand. It's your hand. Shit, that's good enough for me. I don't even think I introduced myself. Yeah, you did with the. I am Kiki. I'm the youngest sibling. Kiki, do you love me? And as y'all can see, I go with ham. You go with town. I go with ham. She go ham. Whatever I like to do. That's me. He's stuck in my head. Y'all can play crazy if you want a little crab leg and cut me like you cut my daughter. We going down for real. It's going down for real.
I don't even think you put me. I can't even find the clip.
She trying to get us to start the whole crab leg one shit. Damn! It's over with, Lori. It's already started.
No, it is not that serious.
It's not. I didn't do it. Y'all been popping crab shit everywhere all day. I mean, I did it, but I didn't try to do it. Y'all see how they do me, Kinfolk? Let double team name. Let's get them, Kinfolk. Yeah. She got Slurpees and straws and shit.
I think that one ham. Oh, dang, I forget.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And this is
Lemon.
How much damn lemons?
Mine, I got one.
You gonna eat your egg.
Hey, she sound like that dude.
Gonna eat your cornbread.
Oh, me.
That's why I tried to sound like. You hear my voice get deeper. Don't touch it if you gonna eat it. If you ain't gonna eat it, let me
Mom,
get it.
I'm not even finna. I ain't even worried about that. Go on ahead, get one. Just one. Did you say go on ahead, get one? Go ahead, get one. Just one. Go on ahead, get one.
She did. Go on, get one.
Go on ahead, get one.
Go on, get one. That's how she was talking when she was little, y'all.
Still there.
I don't know. Right. What's the excuse now?
I did not just say that.
All right, Clarence.
Yeah. It don't matter. It don't. She ain't even tell y'all the story.
All right,
I don't even know why she broke it up.
What's Clarence?
Mom, be quiet. Mom, you be telling everybody big. It ain't
What
right,
happened? I want to know.
Not this time.
No, not this time.
I'm gonna tell her something else. Tell her something else.
Alright.
What else you just said?
Mom, go on somewhere.
Alright, what you say, Clarence ain't supposed to be Clarence?
Hey, look. Look. My get it. Please, sir.
Mom, be quiet.
Look. So she was watching mukbangs on TV, right? I mean on YouTube, y'all. And she was like, Mom. She watching Beloved Sauce, I think. She was like, Mom, they said you gotta get Cajun too. I said, that Cajun sauce. I said, who we gotta go get? Cajun. Cajun. Oh, it said Cajun. I said, nah, it's Cajun.
Man, I'm calling trying to stick this up there.
Yeah.
My food gone.
I will stop watching you if I was y'all. Who stole my fork?
No, you want to talk people?
Bro, I want all my food cooking.
She made sure you got my onion. Tell Kiki eat some onion.
I don't got no, I can't, my hair went in my sauce. It probably be some hair floating around.
It's your hair. My hair went in my
I
sauce.
don't nobody want to eat hair, Mom.
Onion?
It's your hair, Kinfolk. Stop trying to act like you know.
I definitely didn't know. But
Mom, shut up, Mom. She be trying to tell the whole world what I do. She be on the phone with it, everything.
Hey, y'all.
Mom, be quiet, Mom. I'm not
Your hair?
playing. No, she ain't. I don't know what she finna say. Mom, chill out. That's crazy. You know what she finna say. Mom, just be quiet, Mom.
You threaten me, you not playing. Hey, get to it.
My bad. This ain't even my. You did that. My hair ain't even touched it.
This is your hair. Yo.
Mom, that been up on
That came out your crab meat.
But that been on your shirt up there, that sauce.
Girl, look at your head.
Man, look, y'all. I'm not finna be playing
What
with
happened,
these folks
Carl?
today.
Mom, be quiet.
What happened?
I forgot what I was going to say.
Please don't say that crazy. I can't. That crazy.
Yeah, she don't want me to show.
But what you telling them about me for? Ain't my KINFOLKS on no phone.
She ain't coming back on the show, y'all. This side is out. If we chicken hard.
Do you KINFOLKS?
We got 10 folks, I got 10 people, I got 10 cousins, 10 bloods. You ain't gonna be saying all that when they hit with us on Thanksgiving.
What you mean with us on Thanksgiving?
Just like they with us now.
Gotta be back. Okay, look it out. Let me get out like this.
Wash your hands.
Oh, Lord. I really don't even fly.
We finna end this video.
Mine don't even kept on food.
I ain't through yet. I gotta give me some more food. But yeah, I gotta get me another corn. Yeah, we finna end this jump because that tripping. Yeah, I wanna apologize for him. But see, we keep people. And y'all already know. Y'all already know because see, y'all got these same kinfolk. I need you to it's so
I'm talking about she shot that. Hey, you shot that joint up there.
in the video, y'all look, I was trying to eat the last little crab leg. It's over with kinfolk. We the worst mukbang ever. We the worst. We gotta be good this time. I guess we're gonna be good at being the worst. In the video, girl. Let's let our kinfolks go and rest. It's over with, y'all. We finna clean up. Y'all go and clean up, honest. You can't get them in the video. Kick it in the video, good. We gonna end it. We finna end it. Hit the record.